Greetings, my friends. There's another weekend and another time for an adventure. Right now I'm at the same place as I was on my previous hike, and there is a simple reason for that. There is many trails here. I haven't yet decided which one to go to, but I think I will try a shorter one because of the slippery ice and the snow. I'll tell you more about that in a bit. So yeah, hope you will join me on this one as well. So this last week we've had a typical Norwegian winter, at least here in the southern parts, where it's much snow the other day and then it all melts and then it gets icy and then you get some more snow and some rain and so on and so forth. So what's happened this year is that we had some extreme colds down to the below 30s. And it stayed quite cold for quite a while, like below 10, sometimes just below 5. But suddenly it was +5, +5 Celsius, and rain. So as you can see around me here, there is actually no snow left on the trees, which for about a week ago was heavy with lots of snow. And yeah, everything has melted down to just a fraction of what it was. So I'm lucky if I don't get wet today, because there is definitely water underneath here some places in the bogs and small streams and such. Yeah, that's a deal with a winter in the southern Norway. Quite cold, warm, snow, rain, all together. It is grey and gloomy today. I can hear the wind carrying the clouds away, and above the clouds I sometimes can see a glimpse of light and maybe some blue skies. In the distance, as I walk on my snowshoes, I can hear a woodpecker pecking away on a tree. As you can see on that sign, there are many more routes here. Although I chose the shortest one to Hofstølen. Støl. It's a really old Norwegian word. I don't know if many knows what it means actually. It's like a tiny hut, a tiny farm in the woodlands or in the mountains. Not to be confused with a seter. I don't know quite the difference, but there is a difference. Hard to explain, I'd say. But this is a støl, more like a 1 or 2 room hut. Yeah, we'll go past it. It is renovated. It's torn completely down and built up again. But when I was a child in the Boy Scouts, as one would call it, we did a lot of camping there. It's owned by the scouts in the region, so it's well kept now. But we did have a lot of fun there. That brings me to the mountain I'm heading to, Hofstølfjellet, which is the mountain associated with that hut, or cabin if you may. I haven't been there since I was 13 at max, so I'm sure it will bring back some memories. I remember from my childhood walking up this trail, in the dark as in the light, with the flashlights or not, hiking up to that little cabin, that little hut, and enjoying ourselves on the way, being there and on the way back. It was a great time. It sure was. In the summer, this field is lush green. Although it's a bog or marsh or whatever you want to call it, it is lush green with lots of insects. And now it looks so dead. Strange what it does the winter. Now I'm at Hofstølen. There's a lot of snow. And as I slowly walked up here, I started to feel that nostalgic feeling. Like I knew exactly where to go, even though I haven't been here in 15 years. lots of good memories here. But this ain't why I'm here. I'm heading up there or something. I have to find the path. You can hear the stream that we crossed over the bridge down there in the valley. Anyways, this is the top. Not the most exciting view. A view nonetheless. I will light up my fire to warm my feet, have a little rest, have some food, have some coffee before I head back down, as I always do. Fire, feeling the breeze on your back while your face is warm. There's something special about the air at that moment. You look over the horizon and you see the mountains in the distance, the clouds shuffling away in the wind, and a bird flying here and there. You hear the wind in the trees and the water streams down below. This is truly magical. I've consumed my coffee. I've gained some warmth from the fire. I've eaten some delicious food. And now it's time to head back. I guess there will be a slippery slope back down from this mountain and some exhausting stumbling through the snow back to where I parked the car. But anyways, I wanted to thank you guys for joining me once again on a wild adventure here in southern Norway. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to see more, please subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. And I'll see you guys again really soon. See you around.
same somehow. I'm sure I made progress. Still I feel this hunger, like the journey just begun.